Hey, what's going on, Trap Watchers, man? Today is September the 19th, 2021. Vechain price prediction. Analysts believe that crypto is extremely undervalued. Well, what does the price say? Right? We're going to look at the price chart today for Vechain to see if the market is truly undervalued. Is the price going to go up? Is the price going to go down? What in the world is this thing going to do? Welcome to our channel. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. We are here to ensure you're able to get price predictions without being confused. This is what we do. We make sure that you're able to predict prices without using technical analysis, without using technical indicators, because they're all garbage. It does not give us any benefit in relation to being ahead of the game. Right? Yeah, I used to be one of those individuals who used to follow and thought that I needed to have 100 indicators on my chart just to think I could get where price is going to go. In the end, they all failed me. So I had to come up with a different way, a different method of predicting price movement. And you guys can see from our chart right now in Vechain, we expected the price in Vechain to go down. And from out the gate, nah, it didn't go down, but it did eventually. And I'm going to show it to you. Now, if you guys want to join me, join the family, join the community, hit the like button, share, subscribe, do the run-of-the-mill things that everyone on YouTube tells you to do. Tap that bell notification as well so you don't miss out on any of our content, because I would advise you to do that if you want to learn more, because this is easy. This is simple. I'm not going to waste 45 minutes to an hour of your time just to talk about that the market can go up, it can go down, it can do whatever it has to do, and you're in no better position as to, okay, what in the world am I looking at then, right? So hit me up. Now, check this out. Right here. August the 27th was the last time we did our price prediction in Vechain. Look at it. We told you all to expect the price to go down. Originally from the gate, no, it didn't go down. I'll give you that. You can visually see it. That the price, instead of going down in Vechain, went up, right? And we had our expectation of noticing where restriction will come in, i.e. where price would come back down. But instead of it being around 14 cents, the market restriction came all the way up here towards 15.5. That's the only thing we got wrong, was where our expectations of restriction would be at. We said 14, it was actually around 15.5 cents, right? So 1.5 cents. Cool. But as the market was just going up and up and up, you might be thinking, man, what happened to the prediction? Like, HueFin got this one truly wrong. But no, I didn't. We was too early to the party, that's all. Because right there on September the 7th, the market came all the way down to an ultimate area TP, right there. So it took the market maybe what, 10, 12 days of it going up. And then it took one day just for us to get the profit out of the market. That's wild, that's crazy. This is how you're able to understand what the market is anticipated to do. That's 13% right there. So we've held this forecast, right? From August the 27th to September the 7th, just to eat off 13%. Simple. So now, many people, some analysts may be saying, well, the market for Vechain may be undervalued, that it should be going up, right? Well, let's look at the chart, because price tells us everything we need to know. Yes, it does. So let's do this. First things first, by us getting rejected right there around 15 cents, tells us everything we need to know. That the price in Vechain is not ready to go up. Not yet. So if anything, we can still see price trade within our trading channel. So the first thing we need to do is to come through and extend out this line, because it is still acting as rejection. So we appreciate the trap giving us this information. He gives us information every day that he comes in and trades the market. So now we know, don't expect the market in Vechain to go up until we see price break 15 cents, 15.5 cents, right? And another area that I see is still 14. 14 is going to be also another hurdle for the price to come up above. But seeing that the last rejection point was around 15.5, I'm going to bring it up there. All right, so we can keep track of the market. Now, we got two areas that we can see the market in Vechain come in and grab support. 10 cents is the first location. Second area, dare I say it, it's around 8.5, maybe 9 cents, right? No lower than 8 cents. So what we're going to do, seeing how the market in Vechain has not broken this support area yet, around 9-10 cents, we're going to extend it out further. All right, until we see the price in Vechain break that to the downside, we can still see the price hold it. It's simple. Now, under the premise that it does, The next area, I'm already giving it to you, would be here around 8.5 cents. No lower than 8 cents. All right, you got it? Cool. So check this out. Let's look at the market in Vechain on the 3-day time frame. And you guys can tell over the last 9 days, the market in Vechain, it tried to go up. It tried to maintain price, but we still are seeing weakness and people trying to sell the market in Vechain. It is what it is, especially right here on this last 3-day price bar right here. Okay. The 3 days before that, the price bought up all of the people who was trying to sell their Vechain into the market. But for us to close at the low end of the bar now still lets us know that there's still weakness into the market that needs to be absorbed and evaporated before price goes up. Okay. And we're still seeing the weakness in the market in Vechain on the 3-day time frame. This is the 5-day. Are you seeing any indications of market strength on the 5-day time frame? Do you see it? I don't. Look at this. So let's not forget the overall trend. Yes, Vechain is still in an upward trend. So as long as the price stays above this overall ascending line, guess what? Price will always go up forever. As long as price stays above this ascending line, we will always go up. Now, we have these areas right here then. We have 10 cents, right? First. Second area is around 8.5. All the way down to 8 cents. Now that would take us to this territory of this long-term trend. We cannot see price break below that. So that's why I'm trying to tell you, we cannot see price in Vechain go no lower than 8 cents. Because if we do and price breaks it on weakness, we are now in a bear market and the market expectation of going higher is no longer there. The next area would be to see price come in and hit 7 cents all the way back down to 6 cents. That would be massive in terms of the overall cryptocurrency space. But I'm not trying to put that into the market just yet. I'm just trying to prepare you to see and what the expectations will be if that market ever breaks this ascending line. Okay. So now, let me go ahead and run a play because I don't want to be on here too long. I want to go ahead and give you the information and move forward. All right. So we're still expecting the price in Vechain to go down, right? We're still looking at some weakness, not extreme weakness. Like I told you, we are still seeing the applicability of this horizontal line or support to hold price. That's only 11.75% movement to the downside. That's gravy. That's nothing bad. That's expectations. We expect price to go up. Then why don't we expect prices to come down? Everyone tries to get you to expect everything always shoots up to the moon. They never come in and give you the expectation that price also comes down too. Do they? No, they don't. But we do. So we're looking for the price to go down slightly, back down towards 10 cents. Now, if we continue to get weakness, then I'm here to tell you we're going to go a lot lower. And we're going to break this channel. We're going to break it to the downside. And then the next area will be around 8.5 cents or 9 cents. So I'm going to move that right there. I'm going to hold that right there. Okay. So you all won't be surprised to see the market go down 18% in Vechain and ask, okay, what happened? So now I'm going to bring up, matter of fact, I'm going to keep it here right there. Restricted is going to be around 13 cents. All right, maybe 14, because ultimately that is the longest term area that we saw the last time the market got rejected in Vechain. Okay. So let me extend this out so we all can see what our expectations are into the market in Vechain. So you got it. This is what I'm seeing on the price chart for Vechain. Now I want to know, what in the world do you see on the price chart? I mean, there's some people out there that's trying to say that Vechain is undervalued. From our perspective of looking at the price chart, market look like it's still going to be undervalued. We still have some lower prices that we are anticipating. You might not be anticipating it, right? It's up to you. It's your opinion. Just let me know with a comment in the comment section and tell me, what are you seeing on the price chart in relation to where Vechain is going to be in the next 3 weeks? Let me know. Hit me up. Drop me a comment in the comment section and tell me. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.